ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत शृण्वन्नोतभिः सीदसादनं प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजनीवती दीनामवित्रयवतो गणेशाय नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवागुंसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवाहितं यधायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ नमो भगवते रुद्राय ॐ नमस्ते रुद्रमन्यव उतोत इषवे नमः नमस्ते अस्तु धन्वने बाहुभ्यामुत ते नमः यात इषु शिवतमा शिवं बभूव ते धनुः शिवा शरव्या यातवतया नो रुद्रमडया या ते रुद्र शिवा तनूरघोरा पापकाशिनी तया नस्तनुवाशन्तमया गिरिशन्ताभिजाकशीः यामिषुं गिरिशन्तहस्ते बिभर्षस्तवे शिवां गिरित्रतां कुरु माहि गुंसेः पुरुषं जगत शिवेन वचसा त्वा गिरिशाचावधामसि यथा नः सर्वमिज्जगत यक्ष्मगं सुमना असत अध्यवोचदधिवक्ता प्रथमो देव्योऽभिषक अहेग्यश्च सर्वान् जम्भयन्त् सर्वाश्च यातु धान्यः असो यस्ताम्रो अरुण उत बभ्रुः सुमङ्गलः ये चेमागुं रुद्र अभितो दिक्षु श्रिता सहस्रशो वैशागुं हेडयीमहे असो यो वसर्पति नीलग्रीवो विलोहितः उतेनं गोपा अदृशन्नदृशन्नुदहार्यः उतेनं विश्वा भूतानि सदृष्टो मृडयतिनः नमो अस्तु नीलग्रीवाय सहस्राक्षाय मीरुषे अथो ये अस्य सत्त्वानोऽहं तेभ्यो करन्नमः प्रमुञ्च धन्वनस्त्वमुभयोरात्मीयोर्जाम् याश्च ते हस्त इषवः पराता भगवो वपा अवतत्यदनुस्त्वगं सहस्राक्षशुधे शुधे निशीर्य शल्यानां मुखा शिवो नः सुमना भव विज्जं धनुः कपर्दिनोऽभिशल्यो बाणवागम् उत अनेशन्नस्येषव आभुरस्य निषङ्गतिः या ते हे धर्मे दुष्टमहस्ते बभूव ते धनुः तयास्मान् विश्वतस्त्वमयक्ष्मया परिभुज नमस्ते अस्त्वायुधाय नातताय धृष्णवे उभाभ्यामुत ते नमो बाहुभ्यां तव धन्वने परिते धन्वनो हेतिरस्मान् वृणक्तो विश्वतः अतो य इषुदिस्तवारे अस्मन्निदेहितम् नमस्ते अस्तु भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्र्यम्बकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय त्रिकाग्निकालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय नीलकण्ठाय मृत्युञ्जयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः नमो हिरण्यबाहवे सेनान्ये दिशाञ्च पतये नमो नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यः पशूनां पतये नमो नमः सस्पिञ्जराय त्विषीमते पथीनां पतये नमो नमो बभ्लुषाय विद्याधीने नान्नां पतये नमो नमो हरिकेशायोपवीतिने पुष्टानां पतये नमो नमो भवस्य हेत्ये जगत्तां पतये नमो नमो रुद्राय ततादिने क्षेत्राणां पतये नमो नमः सूताय हन्त्याय वनानां पतये नमो नमो रोहिताय स्तपतये वृक्षाणां पतये नमो नमो मन्त्रणे वाणिजाय कक्षाणां पतये नमो नमो भुवन्तये वारिवस्कृतायौषधीनां पतये नमो नमः उच्चैर्घोषाय क्रन्दयते पत्तीनां पतये नमो नमः कृत्स्नवीताय धावते सत्त्वनां पतये नमः नमः सहमानाय नव्यादिन आव्यादिनीनां पतये नमो नमः ककुभाय निषङ्गिणे स्तेनानां पतये नमो नमो निषङ्गिन इषुधिमते तस्कराणां पतये नमो नमो वञ्जते परिवञ्जते स्तायूनां पतये नमो नमो निचेरवे परिचरायारण्यानां पतये नमो नमः श्रिकाविभ्यो जिगागं सत्भ्यो मुष्णतां पतये नमो नमो सिमद्भ्यो नक्तं चरभ्यः प्रकृन्तानां पतये नमो नमः ऊष्णीशिने गिरिचराय कुलुञ्चानां पतये नमो नमः इषुमद्भ्यो धन्वाविभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः आतन्वानेभ्यः प्रतितधानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः आयश्चद्भ्यो विसृजद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमो स्यद्भ्यो विद्यद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमः आसीनेभ्यश्च यानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः स्वपद्भ्यो जाग्रद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमः स्तिष्ठद्भ्यो धावद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमः सभापतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो अश्वेभ्यो अश्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः नमः आव्याधिनीभ्यो विविद्यन्तिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः उगणाभ्यस्त्रिगंहतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो घृत्सेभ्यो घृत्सपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो व्रातेभ्यो व्रातपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो गणेभ्यो गणपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो विरूपेभ्यो विश्वरूपेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो महत्यः क्षुल्लकेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रतिभ्यो रतेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रथेभ्यो रत्तपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः सेनानिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः क्षत्तर्भ्यः सङ्ग्रहीतर्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तक्षभ्यो रथकार्येभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः कुलालेभ्यः कर्मारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः पुञ्जिष्टेभ्यो निषादेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः इषुकृभ्यो धन्वकृभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो मृगयुभ्यः श्वनीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः श्वभ्यः श्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः नमो भवाय च रुद्राय च नमः शर्वाय च पशुपतये च नमो नीलग्रीवाय च शितिकण्ठाय च नमः कपर्दिने च व्युप्तकेशाय च नमः सहस्राक्षाय च शतधन्वने च नमो गिरिशाय च शिपिविष्टाय च नमो मीरुष्टमाय चेषुमते च नमो रसवाय च वामनाय च नमो प्रहते च वर्षीयसे च नमो वृद्धाय च संवृद्ध्वने च नमो अग्र्याय च प्रथमाय च नमः आशवे च जिराय च नमः शीघ्रियाय च शेव्याय च नमः ऊर्म्याय च वस्वन्याय च नमः श्रोतस्याय च द्वेद्याय च नमो ज्येष्ठाय च कनिष्ठाय च नमः पूर्वजाय च परजाय च नमो मध्यमाय च पगर्भाय च नमो जघन्याय च भूत्नीयाय च नमः सोऽभ्याय च प्रतिसर्याय च नमो याम्याय च क्षेम्याय च नमः उर्वर्याय च खल्याय च नमः श्लोक्याय च वसान्याय च नमो वन्याय च कक्षाय च नमः श्रवाय च प्रतिश्रवाय च नमः आशुषेणाय च श्रुताय च नमः शूराय च वबिन्दते च नमो वर्मिने च वरुतिने च नमो बिल्मिने च कवचिने च नमः श्रुताय च श्रुतसेनाय च नमो दुन्दुभ्याय च हनन्याय च नमो धृष्णवे च प्रमृषाय च नमो दूताय च प्रहिताय च नमो निषङ्गिने चेषु धीमते च नमः तीक्ष्णीषवे च युधिने च नमः स्वायुधाय च सुधन्वने च नमः श्रुत्याय च पत्याय च नमः काट्याय च नेप्याय च नमः सूध्याय च सरस्याय च नमो नाध्याय च वेशन्ताय च नमः कूप्याय च वत्याय च नमो वर्षाय च नमो मेघ्याय च विद्युत्याय च नमः ईध्रियाय च तप्याय च नमो वात्याय च रेश्मियाय च नमो वास्तव्याय च वास्तुपाय च ॐ हर 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 ॐ नमः सोमाय च रुद्राय च नमः ताम्राय च रुणाय च नमः शङ्गाय च पशुपतये च नमः उग्राय च भीमाय च नमो अग्रे वदाय च दूरे वदाय च नमो हन्त्रे च हनीयसे च नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यो नमस्ताराय नमः शम्भवे च मयोभवे च नमः शङ्कराय च मयस्कराय च नमः शिवाय च शिवतराय च नमः स्थित्याय च खोल्याय च नमः पार्याय च भार्याय च नमः प्रतरणाय चोत्तरणाय च नमः आतार्याय च लाद्याय च नमः षष्प्याय च फेन्याय च नमः सिकट्याय च प्रवाह्याय च नमः इरण्याय च प्रपत्याय च नमः किगंशिलाय च क्षयनाय च नमः कपर्दिने च पुलस्तये च नमो कोष्ठाय च कृत्याय च नमः स्तल्प्याय च गेग्याय च नमः काट्याय च गवरेष्ठाय च नमो हृदयाय च निवेश्याय च नमः पागं सव्याय च रजस्याय च नमः शुष्क्याय च हरित्याय च नमो लोप्याय चोलप्याय च नमः उर्व्याय च सूर्म्याय च नमः पर्ण्याय च पर्णशत्याय च नमो पगुरमाणाय च भिघ्नते च नमः आखिदते च प्रखिदते च नमो वक्किरिकेभ्यो देवानागं हृदयेभ्यो नमो वीक्षिणकेभ्यो नमो वीक्षिन्वट्केभ्यो नमः आनिरहतेभ्यो नमः आमिवट्केभ्यः द्रापे अन्धसस्पते दरिद्रन्नीललोहिता येषां पुरुषाणां येषां पशूनां माभेर्मा रोमो येषां किञ्चन ममता या ते रुद्र शिवा तनो शिवा विश्वाह भेषजी शिवा रुद्रस्य भेषजी तया नो बृरजीवसे इमागुं रुद्राय तवसे कपर्दिने क्षयद्वीराय प्रबरामहे मतिं यथा न शमशद्विपते चतुष्पते विश्वं पुष्टं ग्रामे अस्मिन् नातुरम् मृडानो रुद्रोत नो मयस्कृति क्षयद्वीराय नमसा विधेमते यच्चं च योश्च मनुरायजे पिता तदश्यम तव रुद्र प्रणीतो मानो महान्तमुत्तमानो अर्भकं मान उक्षन्तमुत्तमान उक्षितं मानो वदी पितरं मोत मातरं प्रियामानस्तनुवो रुद्ररीरिषः मानस्तोके तनये मान आयुषि मानो गोषु मानो अश्वेषु रीरिषः वीरान् मानुरुद्रभामितो वदिरः विष्मन्तो नमसा विधेमते आरात्य गोग्न उत पूरुषग्ने क्षयद्वीराय सुम्नमस्मे ते अस्तु रक्षा च नो अधि च देवा ब्रूयदा च न शर्मा यच्चत् द्विबरः ष्टुहि श्रुतं गर्सदं युवानं मृगान्नभीममुपहत्नुमुग्रं मृडाचरित्रे रुद्रास्तवानो अन्यन्ते अस्मन्निवपन्तु सेनाः परिणो रुद्रस्य हेतर्वृणक्तु परितेशस्य धुर्मतिरगायोः अवस्थिरा मघवत्पयस्तनुष्वमीध्वस्तोकाय तनयाय मृडया मीरुष्टमशिवतमा शिवो न सुमना भव परमे वृक्ष आयुधन्निदाय कृतं वसान आचर पिनाकं बिभ्रदागहि विकिरित विलोहित नमस्ते अस्तु भगवः यास्ते सहस्रगं हेतयोऽन्यमस्मन्निव पन्तु ताः सहस्राणि सहस्रदा बाहुवो स्तव हेतयः तासामीशानो भगवः पराचीना मुखाकृति सहस्राणि सहस्रशो ये रुद्रा अधिभूम्यां तेषागं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसि अस्मिन् महन्त्यन्नवेऽन्तरिक्षे भवा अधि नीलग्रीवाशितिकण्ठाः शर्वा अधः क्षमाचराः नीलग्रीवाशितिकण्ठा दिवगुं रुद्र उपश्रिताः ये वृक्षेषु सस्पिञ्जरा नीलग्रीवा विलोहिताः ये भूतानाम् अधिपतयो विशिकास कपर्दिनः ये अन्येषु विविद्यन्ति पात्रेषु पिपतो जनानां ये पथां पतिरक्षय एलभृदाय व्युदः ये तीर्थानि प्रचरन्ति श्रिकावन्तो निषङ्गिनः य एतवन्तश्च भूयागंसश्च दिशो रुद्रावितस्थिरे तेषागं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसि नमो रुद्रेभ्यो ये पृथिव्याम्येऽन्तरिक्षे ये दिवि येषामन्नं वातो वर्षमिषवस्तेभ्यो दश प्राचीद्दश दक्षिणादश प्रतीचीद्दशोदीचीद्दशो द्वास्तेभ्यो नमस्ते नो मृडयन्तु तेयं द्विष्वयश्च नो द्वेष्टितं वो जम्भे दधामि त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् यो रुद्रो अग्नो यो अप्सु य ओषधीषु यो रुद्रो विश्वा भुवना विवेश तस्मै रुद्राय नमो अस्तु ये ते सहस्रमयुतं पाशा मृत्यो मर्त्यया हन्तवे तान् यज्ञस्य मायया सर्वानवायजामहे मृत्यवे स्वाहा मृत्यवे स्वाहा प्राणानां ग्रन्थिरसि रुद्रो मा विशान्तकः तेनान्येनान्त्यायस्व नमो रुद्राय विष्णवे मृत्युर्मे पाहि तमुष्टुहि अस्विषु सुदन्वायो विश्वक्षयति भेषजस्य यक्ष्वा महेशो मनसाय रुद्रं नमो भीर्देवमसुरं दुवस्य अयमे हस्तो भगवान् अयमे भगवत्तरः अयं मे विश्वभेषजो यगं शिवाभिमर्षणः ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः शं च मे मयश्च मे प्रियं च मे नुकामश्च मे कामश्च मे सोमनशश्च मे भद्रं च मे श्रेयश्च मे वशश्च मे यशश्च मे भगश्च मे द्रविणं च मे यन्ता च मे दर्ता च मे क्षेमश्च मे धृतिश्च मे विश्वं च मे महश्च मे संवित् च मे ज्ञात्रं च मे सुश्च मे प्रसुश्च मे शिरं च मे लयश्च मरुत्तं च मे अमृतं च मे यक्ष्मं च मे नामयच्च मे जीवातुश्च मे दीर्घायुत्वं च मे नमित्रं च मे भयं च मे सुगं च मे शयनं च मे सुषा च मे सुदिनं च मे स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
मंगलचरणा गजानना
मंगलचरणा गजानना
मंगलचरणा गजानना
मंगलचरणा गजानना
गजवदना शुभानना
गजवदना शोभानना
गजवदना शुभानना
गजवदना शोभानना
मंगलचरणा गजानना
मंगलचरणा गजानना
विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक
विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक
विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक
विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक
गौरीतनया गजानना
गौरीतनया गजानना
गौरीतनया
मङ्गलचरणा गजानना
गजवदना शुभानना
गजवदना शुभानना
मङ्गलचरणा गजानना
मङ्गलचरणा गजानना
विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक
विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक
गौरीतनया गजानना
गौरीतनया गजानना
गौरीतनया गजानना
गौरीतनया गजानना
मङ्गलचरणा गजानना
साई माता पिता दीनबन्धु सखा
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 तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम
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 साई माता पिता दीनबन्धु सखा
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 तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम
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 मुझे शक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा
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 मुझे भक्ति 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 दो मेरे साई शिवा
मुझे मुक्ति 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 दो मेरे साई शिवा
साई माता पिता दीनबन्धु सखा
साई माता पिता दीनबन्धु सखा
तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम
तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम
साई माता पिता दीनबन्धु सखा
साई माता पिता दीनबन्धु सखा
तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम
तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम
मुझे शक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा
मुझे शक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा
मुझे भक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा
मुझे भक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा
मुझे मुक्ति 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 दो मेरे साई शिवा साई माता पिता दीनबन्धु सखा
गोविन्द गोपाल प्रभु गिरिधारी गोविन्द गोपाल हृदय बिहारी गोविन्द गोपाल हृदय बिहारी गोविन्द गोपाल प्रभु गिरिधारी नंद कुमारा नवनीत चोरा नंद कुमारा नवनीत चोरा परति विहार पराजित चोरा हृदय विहार पराजित चोरा गोविन्द गोपाल प्रभु गिरिधारी गोविन्द गोपाल हृदय बिहारी गोविन्द गोपाल प्रभु गिरिधारी नंद कुमारा नवनीत चोरा परति विहार पराजित चोरा हृदय विहार पराजित चोरा गोविन्द गोपाल प्रभु गिरिधारी
बोलो बोलो सब मिल बोलो ओम नमः शिवाय
बोलो बोलो सब बोलो ओम नमः शिवाय
बोलो बोलो सब मिल बोलो ओम नमः शिवाय
बोलो बोलो सब बोलो ओम नमः शिवाय
ओम नमः शिवाय 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 ओम नमः शिवाय
बोलो बोलो सब मिल बोलो ओम नमः शिवाय
बोलो बोलो सब बोलो ओम नमः शिवाय
दूत जटा में गंगाधारी दूत जटा में गंगाधारी त्रिशूलधारी डमरू बचावे त्रिशूलधारी डमरू बचावे दम 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 डमरू बचावे दम 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 डमरू बचावे पूज्यता ओम नमः शिवाय पूज्यता ओम नमः शिवाय बोलो बोलो सब मिल बोलो ओम नमः शिवाय
बोलो बोलो सब बोलो ओम नमः शिवाय
ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय
ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय
बोलो बोलो सब मिल बोलो ओम नमः शिवाय
बोलो बोलो सब बोलो ओम नमः शिवाय
दूत जटा में गंगाधारी त्रिशूलधारी डमरू बचावे दम 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 डमरू बचावे पूज्यता ओम नमः शिवाय पूज्यता ओम नमः शिवाय 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 रास विनोदानंद लाला रास विनोदानंद लाला राधा माधव नंद लाला रास विनोदानंद लाला साई नारायण नारायण साई नारायण नारायण सत्य नारायण नारायण सत्य नारायण नारायण गाणलोल प्रभु नारायण गाणलोल प्रभु नारायण दीनपाल जय नारायण प्रभु दीनपाल जय नारायण साई नारायण नारायण सत्य नारायण नारायण गाणलोल प्रभु नारायण दीनपाल जय नारायण प्रभु दीनपाल जय नारायण साई नारायण नारायण
ॐ तत्सत् श्री नारायण तु पुरुषोत्तम गुरु तु सिद्ध बुद्ध तु स्कंद विनायक सविता पावक तु सविता पावक तु ब्रह्ममज्ज तु यहोव शक्ति तु येषु पिता प्रभु तु रुद्र विष्णु तु राम कृष्ण तु रहीमताओ तु रहीमताओ तु वासुदेव गो विश्वरूप तु चिदानंद हरि तु अद्वितीय तु अकाल निर्भय आत्मलिंग शिव तु आत्मलिंग शिव तु आत्मलिंग शिव तु असतो मा सद्गमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्योर्मा.
I offer my humble pranams at the lotus feet of our beloved Lord, Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba. Loving Sai Rams, respected elders, brothers and sisters, a very warm and loving welcome to this morning's regional devotional program. I pray that with the grace of our beloved Lord, you and your family are well and safe. Our deepest and sincere condolences goes out to all the brothers and sisters that have lost a loved one during this time, and pray that Swami grant you the strength to deal with your loss. The Go Green infographic for this morning is as follows. Reverence for God and Nature, Part 1. Far beyond all the five elements and completely devoid of any attributes whatsoever is Paramatma. Being totally attributeless, Paramatma is more subtle than anything we can imagine, and he exists beyond space and time also. The Vedas say, Sarvata Panipalam Tat Sarva Dokshi Srimukham. His hands and feet are everywhere in creation. Summer Showers 2000. Brother Aitan will now share his experience with regards to one of the 108 names of Swami.
My humble pranams at the divine lotus feet of our most beloved Bhagavan. Om Shri Sai Loka Raksha Paranaya Namaha. I bow down to Lord Sai, who serves and protects one and all. When I was much younger, back in primary school, we had a uniform check at that time, and my top button was missing. My form teacher decided to scold me for not having my top button put up, so she sent me to the bathroom to sort it out. As I entered the bathroom, I found that the top button was not even there, it was actually missing. Out of fear, I decided to jump over the wall of the school and run home because I was too afraid to stay and find out what will happen to me by my teacher if she found out that there was actually no top button. And the school that I was attending at that time was St. Anthony's Primary School, which is near Greyville Racecourse. So I decided to run home. And as I was walking home, very close to independent newspapers, a woman decided to take my hand. And she said, "Do not worry about anything. Jesus will take care of us. Follow me." So we were passing by a group which looked like a gang itself. So I did get a bit worried and fearful of them. And this lady just said, "Do not worry, Jesus will take care of us." And she walked me over to the independent newspaper's office, and she spoke to the receptionist and said that she found me just walking by myself, and that she should report it to my parents. The receptionist then said, "Can I take down your name and number so that the mother can actually come back and speak to you and just thank you?" And she reluctantly, after a few efforts, gave her details. After this whole episode, a few days later, my mother decided to go to this church where she provided her details to and find out where she is and just thank her. But when my mother actually had gone to the church, she found out that this woman was never there. She did not exist. So this was the form of our beloved Lord Sai coming just to save myself during that period of time. He is the one that protects without even asking. I did not ask to be protected, but he knew at that time that I needed to be protected, as he protects all of us. I pray to our beloved Lord Sai to always protect us and always be there for us as he always has been for many decades and many ages. Thank you. Sai Ram.
Session. Please encourage all devotees to log on. Vedam classes is at 9:15 a.m. to 10:15 a.m. The daily Gayatri chanting will continue tonight at 9 p.m. with 31 chants. These are the chants that's leading up to Bhagavan's 95th birthday. Thank you to all mothers and sisters for participating in the 24-hour Gayatri chanting on the 19th of the month. A reminder of the Creative Home Management Program at 2:30 p.m. today. You can log on with the link that has been forwarded to yourselves. Seva continues this weekend at the Sai Food Kitchen in Reservoir Hills. The cleaning of vegetables commences at 1 p.m. The cooking takes place from 12 p.m. due to the large quantities being cooked. 6,000 meals are prepared and our region distribute 1,300 of these meals. We would like more Sevadals to participate in this Seva. Please continue with the making of eco-bricks and planting of veggie gardens and Spekboom. A reminder of our Group 2 and 3 speech festivals that will take place in the months of October and November. We encourage all Sai Blossoms to participate. We also require our Sai Blossoms to submit bhajans for these programs. Sai Blossoms, please continue with your Liki Japa, Eco Bricks, and the collection of braid clips and bottle caps. We hope that you all have a Sai-filled week ahead. We will now view a video. Jai Sai Ram.
Describing many such examples from the teachings of Dattatreya, Krishna finally said, Uddhava, nature is a great teacher, but lessons are not readily apparent. You will learn the lessons only when you train yourself to search beneath the surface and look for a meaning. Creation is beautiful, but do not be dazzled by it. Look beyond, and you would see the Creator who is much grander. From the lessons taught by Krishna to Uddhava, we turn to a very different example that highlights the reverence that nature evokes, conferring as she does so many blessings. In the middle of the 19th century, during their westward march, the settlers in America, after fighting many wars, made a settlement by which land belonging to native Indian tribes was transferred to the government in Washington. It was a distress sale, and at that time, Chief Seattle, the leader of the tribe making the sale, made a speech. By the way, the city of Seattle is named after this noble chief. Chief Seattle made his speech in 1851. There was, of course, no recording facility available then, but based on notes and memory, many have reconstructed the chief's speech. Here are glimpses of what he said then. The words might not be exact, but there is no mistaking the sentiments behind them. This is what the chief said in part.
How can you buy or sell the sky and the warmth of the land? The idea is strange to us. If we do not own the freshness of the air and the sparkle of the water, how can you buy them? Every shining pine needle, every sandy shore, every mist in the dark woods, every clearing and humming insect is holy in the memory and experience of my people. The sap which courses through the trees carries the memories of the red man. Our dead never forget this beautiful earth, for it is the mother of the red man. We are part of the earth, and it is part of us. The perfumed flowers are our sisters, the deer, the horse, the great eagle, these are all our brothers. The rocky crests, the juices in the meadows, the body heat of the pony and man, all belong to the same family. This land is sacred to us. This shining water that moves in the streams and rivers is not just water, but the very blood of our ancestors. If we sell you the land, you must remember that it is sacred, and you must teach your children that it is sacred, and that each ghostly reflection in the clear water of the lakes tells of events and memories in the life of my people. The waters murmur is the voice of my father's father. The river are our brothers, they quench our thirst. The rivers carry our canoes and feed our children. If we sell you our land, you must remember and teach your children that the rivers are our brothers and yours, and you must henceforth give the rivers the kindness you would give any brother. We know that the white man does not understand our ways. Our ways are different than your ways. The sight of your cities pains the eyes of the red man. There is no quiet place in the white man's cities, no place to hear the unfurling of leaves in springtime or the rustle of the insect's wings. The clatter only seems to insult the ears. And what is there to life if a man cannot hear the lonely cry of the whippoorwill or the arguments of the frogs around the pond at nighttime? I am a red man and do not understand. The Indian prefers the soft sound of the wind darting over the face of a pond and the smell of the wind itself, cleaned by a midday rain or scented with pine. The air is precious to the red man, for all things share the same breath. The beast, the tree, the man, they all share the same breath. The wind that gave our grandfather his first breath also receives his last sigh. We will consider your offer to buy our land. If we decide to accept, I will make one condition. The white man must treat the beasts of this land as his brothers. I am a savage and do not understand any other way. I have seen 1,000 rotting buffaloes on the prairie left by the white man who shot them from a passing train. I am a savage and do not understand how the smoking iron horse can be made more important than the buffalo that we kill only to stay alive. What is man without the beasts? If all the beasts were gone, man would die from a great loneliness of the spirit. For whatever happens to the beasts soon happens to man. All things are connected. You must teach your children that the ground beneath their feet is the ashes of our grandfathers, so that they will respect the land. Tell your children that the earth is rich with the lives of our kin. Teach your children that we have taught our children that the earth is our mother. Whatever befalls the earth befalls the sons of earth. If men spit upon the ground, they spit upon themselves. This we know. The earth does not belong to man. Man belongs to the earth. This we know. All things are connected like the blood which unites one family. All things are connected. The Almighty is above all. He is the God of all man, and his compassion is equal for the red man and for the white. The earth is precious to him, and to harm the earth is to heap contempt on its creator. All shall pass, the whites as well as the tribes. But in between, God has brought you to this land, and for some special purpose gave you dominion over this land and over the red man. That destiny is a mystery to us, for we do not understand when the buffaloes are all slaughtered, and the wild horses are tamed, and the secret corners of the forest heavy with the scent of many men, and the view of the ripe hills blotted by talking wires. Where is the thicket? Gone. Where is the eagle? Gone. The end of living and the beginning of survival.
That was very moving, was it not? It is interesting that throughout the world, ancients in all lands revered nature in one manner or the other. Be it the Polynesian tribes or the people of India or the tribes of Africa, and of course the tribes and nations that lived all across the American continent, both north and south. What all this shows is that in ancient times, and in fact to a certain extent until even recent times, people paid attention to nature, loved nature, respected nature, and even worshipped nature. Now suddenly much of that seems to have vanished. People are wiping out forests on a massive and unprecedented scale. Land is being grabbed left and right in the name of urbanization. Land, water, and even air are being extensively polluted. Valued species of wildlife are being heavily hunted, some to almost extinction. The list goes on and on. Why is all this happening? According to Baba, all this is happening because we humans have stopped realizing what exactly is our place in the scheme of things in God's creation. Swami says, there is a clear-cut hierarchy in God's scheme of things. At the bottom comes man or Vyashti, who is a limb of society or Samashti.
Man is not merely an individual. He belongs to a community. Individual is a soul. Community is divinity.
Society or Samashti is itself a small aspect of nature or Srishti. What about nature or Srishti? It too is nothing but a limb of God Almighty or Parameshti. There is thus the totem pole, Vyashti, Samashti, Srishti and Parameshti. Humans must realize where they stand and play their role accordingly. In particular, every individual must make sure that no action of his harms society or is injurious to nature in any way. All such actions could cause pain to God and must therefore be avoided.
Well, that is what Swami tells us. And do you know where all that must start? Can you guess? Well, Swami has himself given us the answer. He says, Bangaru, it all starts with sealing on desires. Think about it, and that would tune you for our next episode. Meanwhile, thank you for being with us, and we hope that you join us again tomorrow. Jai Sai Ram.
The universe is here, Swami Satya Sai is here. Come to save devotees everywhere, come to bless his children everywhere. Born at Puttaparthi, the Lord of the universe is here. Calm and tranquil like the moon, shining with divine inner light, feeling all with bliss at his side. He is always loving those in need, answering the prayer.
शांति शांति। जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय।
परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थइष्टार्थमोक्षप्रदानं बाबा विभूतिं इदमाश्रयामि। परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थइष्टार्थमोक्षप्रदानं बाबा विभूतिं इदमाश्रयामि। परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थइष्टार्थमोक्षप्रदानं बाबा विभूतिं इदमाश्रयामि।
ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। 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 ॐ